What's going on, everybody? I just made it back home from a 45-day trip out in Maui. I'm gonna break down why I was out there very soon. It's all undisclosed information, but the coolest thing that I want to bring to you is passive income, okay? I was out there for 45 days. I wasn't able to use my phone for that entire time. I put my phone away. I come back to see that I still made over $10,000 in sales with my private label products. I literally haven't even touched my Amazon FBA business in like 8 months besides just restocking the inventory. And that's what I'm trying to set everybody else up for. I'm trying to show you how to build an income stream for yourself so that you don't have to pull up to the 9-to-5s. Every time I just went out to Macy's and Nordstrom yesterday, and there's help wanted signs everywhere because people don't want to work. They don't want to have to mask up, drive, sit in traffic. It's just becoming the way of the past. I feel like a 9-to-5 sounds like dinosaur stuff to me at this point. It was in this very room that I learned how to sell on Amazon like 5 years ago, and I've been able to build multiple businesses around that. I've been in the cryptocurrencies heavily since 2017. And Bitcoin's at $55,000 again after just last month. It was at $29,000. So when you can have reoccurring income with a business that's credible and profitable like Amazon FBA, and you're using the biggest search engine for products in the United States and pretty much the world as your springboard to getting in front of millions and millions of customers, you're able to utilize that, then you're able to quit your 9-to-5 and then free up time so that you can learn how to invest in other things. I've taken the profits I've made in Amazon FBA, funneled them into cryptocurrency, and really just like tripled my money in a short amount of time. And I just made a video about my entire crypto net worth and my portfolio about my different accounts that I have. So these are the things that I'm trying to teach people. I know this is kind of a rough video. I'm just throwing it off the cuff right now, but I'm about to go out and do some target practice with a new little piece I picked up. I have a friend who builds custom firearms, and this is a little baby AK. So that's going to be awesome. And then after that, I'm going to go skate with my buddy and then go to some little movie premiere party tonight with my friends. So I'm saying this to help inspire you to get off the fence and try something new. And for instance, the first thing that I did was I bought someone's Amazon FBA course. I put my money down, I put my skin in the game, and from there I said I'm not giving up until I at least make my money back for what I spent on the course. 5 years later, I can say I've made hundreds of times my money back that I originally paid for that course. So I offer a course as well right down below in the description box of this video. I'd really encourage you to check it out. I'll also have my Instagram link down there so you can just hit me up, ping me, I'll get on a quick phone call with you. And I know it's a little daunting and you're like, who's this random guy on the other side of the screen? There's so many other scammers out there, but you just have to go with your gut and trust what you believe in. And I know that you're capable of achieving this. So you just have to believe in yourself and let me guide you on your way to start building some extra income so that you can free up time to invest and then have your money work for you. That's the game plan. So I hope you like this quick short video. I'm back home in Seattle, Washington now after being out on a crazy trip, but I'm sure to make a lot more videos for you guys coming soon. Drop down below in the comments too if you want any other specific types of video, cryptocurrency, Amazon FBA, whatever you want to see, I'll make it happen. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace.